Yo, what's going on YouTube? It is your boy Rontrades, and we're back here with another weekly trade breakdown video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be going over my EURUSD. I did trade EURUSD twice this week. I traded on the June 13th and I traded it June 17th. So I only did two trades, and they both was on EURUSD. So let's go ahead and get right into the breakdown video. So right here, guys, on the 15 minute, like I say, June 13th, 2022. Here it was right before New York session. As you guys know, if you guys watching my video, I like to trade around the 5:45 time, just because I have to go to work around 7:30, 8 o'clock. So I'm not available to trade the New York session just yet, which I will be very soon, because I'm going to quit my job and go back full time. But for the time being, I'm trading 5:40. I'm trading around that 6 o'clock hour, looking for reversals. So right here, guys, let's go ahead and get right into the nitty gritty of this setup. So right here, it was London. What do we do during London? Like I say, guys, every video almost be the same because I never change my rules. What do we have for during London? Who's in the market during London? Ask that question to yourself. Who's in the market during London? Buyers. So keep in mind, I came to the market at what time? 5:45 sharp a.m. is every time I come to the market. So every time at 5:45 a.m. I'm coming to the markets. I'm not at the markets at 5:30. I'm not at the markets at 5:15. 5:45 is when I come. So when I came to my charts, I said, hey, yeah, we got buyers in the market here from London. We have this nice equal low here that we can look to target and use that as a target. So after that, let me delete this here. So after that, only thing we do now, guys, is wait for what? Displacement. What is displacement? Displacement needs to match my narrative. So if I'm bullish, I want to see bullish displacement. If I'm bearish, I want to see bearish displacement. It has to match your narrative. A lot of people was asking me in the comment section, yo, bro, how do you do, what's displacement? What's a valid displacement? Guys, it's very simple. Displacement should match your narrative. If you see a huge bearish candle and you're bearish, you can use that as displacement. Do not make trading hard. Please don't. So right here, guys, like I say, we had displacement here of these two candles. I really like these. Now I'm being honest, guys, this wasn't very clear displacement, but like I say, my narrative was bearish. So seeing this right here, these two candles here, this first candle finished off very aggressive. Then we had another run down here, a very aggressive run. So I was using this as a displacement. So after I seen that, I'm like, hey, yeah, I'm going to use these two candles here as displacement. And as price comes back up inside of what? Inside of what? Right here. Matter of fact, let's go to the 5 minute. I think this trade here was on the 5 minute here to make it a little bit more. So let me go to the 5 minute. Yes, sir. Look at this right here, guys. Very beautiful and cute. Very beautiful and cute here. Nice, very nice entry. Now, I'm going to be honest, guys. This trade did not go for a lot of pips. I went for like 18 pips, and I closed out. I'm being honest, because I had to go to work. So, what do we have here? 5 minute time frame. Displacement. What do we have? Displacement. Where does price come back up to? Last two up close candles. Let me zoom in to make sure that we transparent with each other. What is this right here? What is these last two up close candles after this displacement? A bearish order block. I entered the moment price runs up, but you can see here, execution, sell 1000 at 1.04101. As price goes down for 18 pips and attacks this low, I start taking partials. And like I say, I had to go to work here, so I closed out here. You guys can see 18 pips. So quick summary. We had I came into this day bearish. June 13th, I was bearish. My narrative was bearish. Only thing I did was wait for displacement on the 15-minute time frame, which I just showed you. Come to the 5 minute, and you can see the displacement is very clear here. Displacement on the 5 minute time frame. Price runs back up where? Bearish order block. Attacks this low here. Keep in mind, I was looking for a scalp. Even though this low here is sexy, did it hit it? No. Am I okay with that? Yes. Like I say, guys, like this is a prime example. I wanted price to go down here. Did it do that? No. Am I mad? No. Am I like, oh man, I don't care. I took partials and I paid myself at 18 pips. Simple. Let's go to the next trade. All right. So we're gonna go to the trade here that I took today. Now this trade here, guys, I'm very proud of. Very proud of the setup. And I'm gonna tell you guys my mindset in this setup because it was not the best. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This setup was not the best mindset worthy that I can do, but it was a very nice setup after it delivered. So right here, guys, June 17, 2022, I came into the market once again bearish. Why was I bearish? Why? Let's go over that. Why was I bearish? Right here, guys, 4:30 into 5 o'clock, we had this nice bullish push up here to attack buy side liquidity, and we ran inside of what? This imbalance right here. Ran inside of a nice imbalance here. And also on the DXY, I was very bullish on the DXY. You guys can go to your own charts and see why was I bullish. But this is why I was bearish here. I seen we had buyers in the market here during London. We're the same thing, guys. We got buyers in the market from London. Price is not just going to go all the way up to the moon and let the London buyers profit. Remember, guys, the market does not want you to win. You got to have that mindset. The market does not want you to win. Get it in your mind. So right here, what do we have? Displacement. Right here. Huge candle. At 5:15, we had displacement. Keep in mind, at 5:45, that's when I come to the markets. So once I came to the market, I'm like, hey, yeah, we got displacement here off this candle. Price ran up here and filled in what? A fair value gap here. So we came up filling the fair value gap. So the likelihood of price coming above here is very low. Why? Because we're bearish. The narrative is bearish to get where? To attack this low right here, guys. Right here on the 5-minute time frame, this was equal lows. Let me go to the 5-minute time frame and show you. So here, 5-minute time frame, right here, what do we got? Equal lows, suspect lows, support and resistance, guys. Right here, they bought price. And what is everybody going to be expecting, guys? Right here, once price comes back, buy. People going to be saying, oh yeah, support right here. Price left here, very clean. This is a support level. You get smacked in the jaw. Very simple. So right here, guys, like I say, 5-minute time frame is very choppy. Here's why I say my mindset started to go crazy right here, guys. It was very choppy, man. It like literally, I actually held this trade until I went to work, and I hit TP while I was at work. I really had trust in this setup, but like I say, it was very choppy here, and this is what I want to be transparent about. My mindset and psychology here was bad, guys. I literally was getting out, getting back in, closing out early, getting back in. Like it was crazy. Like my narrative was right. My obviously my analysis was on point, but my mindset was doo-doo. I was literally closing out of setups, getting back in, closing out again. So well, I say, guys, I'm not perfect. I'm not trying to get up here and act like I'm perfect. I'm not trying to get up here and act like I know everything. My mindset, guys, sometimes is very trash when it comes to trading. But like I say, I am very strict on what I'm looking for. If things does not match my narrative, I'm not taking it. So I'm very strict on that, guys. So quick summary on this setup here. Like I say, very simple, guys. Displacement here. I came into this day with a bearish narrative, so displacement here. Price ran the fair value gap. I come to the market at 5:45. Price runs back up inside of what? Let's go back to the 5-minute. What is this here? An order block. These consistently up close candles, consistent down close candles, and you have this one big one. You can take this one, or you can just use this whole range as an order block. That's kind of what I was doing right here. So you can use these up close candles here as an order block. Why? Because we had up close candles. Keep in mind the narrative is what? Bearish. Consistent down close candles here. Displacement. Price came back up to fill in what? The imbalance. More displacement. And like I say, as price runs back up, I entered right here. This is my entry right here, guys. Boom. What? Right here. Right here's where I entered. Right off this black line. That was the bottom of this up close candle here. The bottom of it. And I had my stop loss right above the top of it. Real simple. So I had my stop right here. Why right here? Why is my stop loss right here? What's it? Like I say, my narrative is what? Bearish. So I'm not expecting price to run all the way back up here. Why? We already filled this imbalance. We filled this imbalance. So where should price go next? Down. And if price was to run up in my stop, I have to live with that. That's why risk management is important. That's why I don't over leverage trades. That's why I don't put so much significance on one trade. So right, guys, like I said, we was choppy for about a good hour here. We chopped up. I was getting chopped up here for EURUSD, but as you can see, probably around, let's see what time the move actually happened. We actually hit TP right at the opening of New York session, but you can see here price go ahead and delivers, takes out this low here for sell side liquidity here. This low got crucified here, sell side liquidity. And like I say, I took profits the moment price came down to here. So I had about a 24 pip 1 to 2 win. I'm very satisfied with that. Price took equal lows, and I took profits here. Why did I take profits here? Because I had to go to work. I wasn't able to watch the markets. For probably price would have probably, you know, reversed back on me if I would have just stayed in. Even though price dropped all the way down for what? So 73 pips. 73 pips, a 1 to 6 risk reward ratio. So yeah, guys, it's gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This video was a little bit longer than my my usual ones, but I wanted to just give you guys transparency on my mindset and these setup. So I went 2-0 this week. Another successful week in the markets. I'm very grateful for this opportunity. I'm very grateful for this skill. I'm very grateful to learn this. Just learn this and be able to, you know, help others. Remember, guys, I'm not a teacher. I'm not here to teach you. I'm not here to show you the best strategy. I'm only here to show my strategy. Now, if you guys have any questions on the side, I can help you, but I'm not going to teach you how to trade, because that's going to be something you have to learn on your own and through experiences. So like I say, guys, trade safely and enjoy your weekend.